Hi, my name is Sam Ryan. I'm the curator of the West Coast Ableton user group, and I have some modulation tricks to show you guys. Using dummy clips, which are blank pieces of audio that contain automation. And I've set up automations to be in various LFO cycles at different speeds. These are all triangles, and I've got squares, and I've got some saw waves in there. And then if you look on the audio track, I've put it inside of a rack, and I'm using a Max for Live multi-map. And with the multi-map, you can just hit map, and you can map that to any parameter that you choose. So I'm just going to find a loop here to play with. And let's drop in, say, an auto filter. And what I can do is map the cutoff, the filter frequency. Set play on it. And you can see there's maximum and minimum amounts here, so you can set the modulation depth. And there's a curve which could essentially take a triangle and make it behave a little bit more like a sine wave. So these guys are pretty fun if you key map them. I've just key mapped a few keys here. I'll do a few more. W-E-R-T-U-I. And it's great for live performance, so you can do very quick modulations to anything that you want, and you can play with the mod depth. And essentially, if I put these two parameters at on the same value, there is no mod depth. You'll see it's not moving around at all. And if I separate these guys, it gives it some room for the modulation to occur. And if I put it full out, you can see it doing the full range of modulation. And what I suggest doing is recording this stuff into the arrangement if you want to use it in a production sense. So let's just hit play on that. So I'm just jamming with different LFO speeds here and maybe different shapes. And I could go back afterwards and then play with the mod depth on it so it's not the full range. And perhaps automate that afterwards. And the nice thing about this is you can move your automations around because they're tied to the clips that they're recorded with. So you can see how I can just copy that automation around, just like so. And in fact, it's actually really nice to even copy the whole thing over. And then you have all of your different waveforms and speeds of those waveforms. So have fun. I've got this session for download. You can use this in your own library. I would suggest go to your user library and you can drag this in wherever you choose. Copy it in, and then now that's in your user library from now on.